in the wake of historical inequalities, a new dawn emerged for South Africa with the introduction of comprehensive social security by the new government. As a cornerstone of equality, social grants became pivotal policies, manifesting our commitment to uplift every child, every mother, every vulnerable citizen.
Social grant e re thushitse too much, and mostly ke bona le go community nya rena bana ba bantsi ba leng gore ba hloka dijo anything ba khona go rely go yona.
Kusiza kakhulu izinto ebengiyidinga bengiyithola from khona umama bengasasebenzi vele, so iyo imali besiphila ngayo yabo.
Today, our children may falter and fall into conflict with the law, yet they are ushered but into the hands of social development support services.
I come from Springs originally in Joburg. I grew up there since I was a small child. I'm 19 years old and matriculated in Soshanguve Secure Care Center. In my family, I've got a smaller sister and 3 elder brothers, but not biological brothers. When I was young, I was around about 10 years old when I was taken away from my parents, put into a children's home, and then after 5 years I got into trouble, and then I got into the place called Soshanguve Secure Care Center. After being taken away, my sister is still in the children's home. My social worker, Mam Linke, she's helped me a lot with all my emotions and everything. Yes, we've had a rough time and everything, but if it wasn't for her, I wasn't gonna know my self-worth.
For 30 years now, we've nurtured not only the child in conflict with the law, but also the expectant child, who, despite life's hurdles, has now passed matric.
Ngithole ukuthi pregnant sengina 3 months. Then ngacela umama, then umama kept quiet, azangangiphenduli, but the next day ngicela ukuthi akunankinga ayikho into esingayenza, so ngiqhubeke nesikolo ngingayeki. So ngaqhubeka isikolo azangiyeke. Mangipregnet pregnant, abangani bami like bebangangijudge, beba supportive.
I-social grant esiyitholayo yasinceda ngoba siyakhona nyana ukuthenga nyana insipho yokuthi bakhona ukuwasha nekugeza, sizamise lapha uthola usakunalutho sishiyabanyana kancane ngayo, iyasinceda kuya phambili. Akusinguyo bengeke siphumelele, sisiphumelela ngoyo ngoba yasinceda.
Ngijabulile kakhulu njengoba ngicedile matric ngaphasa, ngoba akusiwo wonke umuntu obanayo matric, abanye baya give up. Ngapha sometimes bengakhona ngesikolweni, kumele ngiye kwa-doctor for ama-check-ups. So but ke ngajela ukuthi ukuyeka is not a solution, uzokhula, and then nokuyeka usodlani kumele ngimphande lena, sengifundele yena, ngazitshela ukuthi angifundeli mina ngi-1, ngifuse 2, kumele ngimfundele nomndeni wami ukuthi ube right.
A revelation unfolds as we witness through the Department of Basic Education's report the thriving academic progress of our youth in quintile 1, 2, and 3.
We track also children to see how many of the learners were on social grants that wrote matric and how did they perform. And the results are amazing. More than 500,000 were social grant recipients, and they're doing extremely well.
I grew up in Gwataiza, so when my mom is not like staying there anymore, she's in Ulundi. So that side, they are supported by my grandfather's pension, and my aunts, they are also getting some child grants for my cousins. So that has really helped them to look after the family, to buy clothes for my cousin and stuff. So the social grants, they really go a long way.
This has been a glimpse into the basket of services by the Department of Social Development, the basket that cradles the future of our nation.